is real life. This is what we're doing. I know.
This is real life. The reason you have all the followers you have is because this is how you get it done. You actually have to do the work.
I try to keep it pretty focused on the food.
Yeah. So one of the things I know that vegans love to do, and even if you're not vegan and you just don't want ice cream, you can make nice cream.
Nice cream.
Banana
it's
nice
nice
cream.
on so many levels. It's nice. I mean, for me, like it's nice for the cows. Like,
it's not funny.
It's true. It's true. My heart bleeds for the cows. So I'm making the ice cream for the cows, but it's an amazing texture. It's nice for our bodies.
Yeah.
Like a lot of us can't really digest lactose. It's also nice for the environment, lower footprint for sure. Yeah.
And it's nice that you're making it for me.
And it's so guilt-free, we can eat the whole thing.
Let's do it! Okay. Perfect. It's like, this is something I think like your almond milk.
Yes.
So easy, right?
I don't think people realize how easy it is because it looks fancy when you see the finished product. It looks so thick and the texture is so much like ice cream, or like soft serve, I should say.
No, it's like a smoothie.
Yeah.
But just more bananas.
And much less liquid, so we're hardly using any liquid.
So it's so simple.
It's so simple, you won't even believe it. Okay, you help me make sure that, you be the guard. We're just gonna dump our frozen bananas in there, and I think it makes it really easy if you make sure your bananas are in pretty small chunks.
Yes.
Then you don't have to work as hard because it is a bit of an arm workout. You have to end up scraping down the sides. Right. So I like to add about a tablespoon and a half of vanilla. I add a little splash of almond milk just to kind of help. You need a little bit of liquid just to help get it going.
Okay.
And then, actually I'm gonna save this for later. We're gonna start blending it up and then we're gonna add the pink beet juice because it's so pretty. So
wait, but can I ask you a question?
Yes.
You have the beet juice here.
Yes.
And you have beets.
Yep.
So where did you get the beet juice? Did you juice those beets?
No, it's the water that was left in the pan from boiling them. You can use beet juice, but you can also just use the water in the pan. Yeah, it's so intense.
Blown.
Yeah, and it's actually it's a visual thing. I love pretty food, but you're adding in the beets and there's lots of nutrients in there, like lots of iron.
So you're actually putting whole beets in and the beet juice?
Yeah. I mean, you could just do one or the other. Was that a high five?
It was a high five. That was like
okay, I got it.
High five. I got it. High five nonetheless.
So we're gonna, and then we're just gonna move stuff around, and then gradually it's gonna get really creamy and really thick.
See, this is a step I've never done. I'm so lazy. I put it all in and I'm just it needs more liquid, and I just keep hitting, and so then it's not really that thick.
Yes.
Because I just want it to be blended, but this is the trick.
I feel like for the first dozen times I made it, I did that too because I felt like it needed it, and I didn't really believe that it could get that thick without liquid.
But it can.
No, maybe I will add a little bit more liquid. We're just gonna, maybe we'll add the beet juice at this point because I think it's gonna help.
With the liquid?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
So,
we're wild, we're crazy.
Look at that beautiful
color. It is
color.
the best kind of food coloring you can.
It really is. It's so, there we go. No more constipation.
Beets are great for that.
Yeah, beets are for sure.
Yeah.
Okay, look at the color though. I really think it's as intense as a store-bought, non-natural.
Oh yeah,
artificial.
exactly.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a process, but see, look, we're starting to get some of that texture.
That looks really nice. Yeah.
Starting to get more ice creamy. Yeah. Okay, so we're really close. There's one little chunk there.
This looks like just strawberry ice cream. It looks like
Doesn't it?
It's delicious.
So we can add the beet in now.
The actual beet, yeah, do it.
I think it just boosts the color.
The color factor. This is like meditation.
I know. It is. It's look.
Yeah.
Check that out. Oh, just like ice cream. So delicious. I feel like usually it's thicker. We've let it run for quite a bit, so it's melting.
Yeah, it's melting.
Okay.
That's it. It's that's it.
That's it. Yeah, I know.
Because you don't need any sugar because it's bananas.
Exactly.
Oh, look,
it's so
you're gonna
sweet.
do this whole it's gonna look beautiful in this jar.
Gotta
This is
serve
what
it into
you
a
do.
jar. You need 2 spoons, Kim.
You make everything look so beautiful.
Thank you.
It's so important.
Yeah, you eat with your eyes. So.
Yeah.
So let's get a spoon.
Tasty.
Okay, we're just.
Okay, baby spoon.
Yeah, no, I found us an adult spoon. You need a bigger spoon.
Wait. Yeah. Cold headache. That's delicious.
And it's so healthy.
I love this. Thanks for having me over.
Thank you so much for coming.
Yeah, it's been great. I'll come over anytime you want to feed me.
Come over every time you're in town.
Okay.
Okay?
Deal.
Okay.